Yeah, I'm looking good. I'm back, baby. Shake it, baby. Those alien bastards are gonna pay for shooting up my ride. This is taking forever. Time to stop pissing around and get this big guy back into action.
All right, step one, Alpha Team straight up the middle. Blake, flank left. Phillips and I head around. That's step two. Step three is,
Prophet?
Right! You ready? 1, 2, break!
What do you think, Duke? Want to add something to the whiteboard? Hey, check out the red marker. It smells like cherries. Oh, man! Good plan, Duke. Oh, man! That is... I mean, I don't understand any of it, but I bet if I did, that guy over there would still have his arm. And at least one of his balls.
Get ready! Holy shit! Look at the size of that motherfucker! What the hell do we do now? Incoming!
save the world all by yourself? Watch out! He's coming! Alright, we got him. That Devastator's all yours, Duke.
It's down to you and me, you one-eyed freak.
Come in, Delta Kappa Echo. Come in, Delta Kappa Echo. Acknowledge. This is Yankee 19, and ammo resupply is on the way. Ammo supplies are dropped. Smoke trails mark the spot. Ammo supplies are dropped. Smoke trails mark the spot. Ammo dump is in progress, Duke. Ammo supplies are dropped. Smoke trails mark the spot. Ammo dump is in progress, Duke. Look for the smoke trail. Ammo supplies are dropped. Smoke trail mark the spot. Ammo dump is in progress, Duke. Look for the smoke trail.
It's good. Oh yeah, right there. Oh yeah.
That was fun. Was it good for you, baby? What about the game, Duke? Was it any good?
Yeah, but after 12 fucking years, it should be.